Hello friends, let's solve another question from electric circuits and network. Here, this question is divided into three statements. Like, first statement states that if E is equal to E1 and I is removed, then V is equal to 5 volt. This V is equal to 5 volt. If E is equal to 0 and I is equal to 1 ampere, then V is equal to 5 volt. Again, if E is equal to E1 and I is replaced by a resistor 5 ohm, we have to find the value of this V. So let's do this question in three cases. First, I am drawing this is given as resistive circuit. So it's not mentioned, just a resistive circuit. So I am changing this circuit into a Thevenin equivalent circuit like E1 and RTH. The resistive circuit is converted into a RTH, and then the rest of the circuit as it is. Based on the first statements, we know E is equal to E1 and I is removed, then V is equal to 5 volt. With that concept, I draw this circuit. E is equal to E1 and this I is removed, that is, it is an open circuit, and this V is equal to 5 volt. Since I is removed and this is an open circuit, no current flows through this circuit. That means when no current flows through this circuit, there is no voltage drop across these resistors. So this E1 is directly equal to this 5 volt. This 5 volt is same as this E1. So since there is no drop across this resistor and no current is flowing through this circuit, E1 is same 5 volt we get. From the second portion of the question, if E is equal to 0 and I is equal to 1 ampere, then V is equal to 5 volt. Let's see, when E is equal to 0, so I short circuited that portion. Then I is equal to 1 ampere and V across this 1 ampere is 5 volt. That means the 5 volt is across these two resistors also, right? So by Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. 5 volt is equal to 1 ampere into total resistance RTH plus 1. From that we get RTH is equal to 4 ohm. Okay, so we got the values of E1 and RTH. Now let's see the third portion of the question. E is equal to E1 and I replaced by a resistor of 5 ohm. What is the value of V in volts? So let's draw. E1 we got as 5 volt, RTH we got as 4 ohm. And now this current source is replaced by a 5 ohm resistor. And we have to find this voltage across this 5 ohm resistor, that is V. So by voltage division rule, we know V5 ohm voltage across this resistor is equal to total voltage or source voltage into same branch resistance, that is this 5 ohm. This Vs or total voltage is 5 volt. Okay, and the same branch resistance means we have to find the voltage across this 5 ohm, right? So same branch resistance means this 5 ohm and divided by total branch resistance. This branch consists of 4 ohm, 1 ohm and 5 ohm. So total branch resistance is 4 plus 1 plus 5. So by voltage division rule, voltage across a resistor is equal to total voltage into same branch resistance divided by total branch resistance. That is a formula for finding the voltage across a resistor. By solving this, we got 2.5 volt as the V. That means voltage across this 5 ohm resistor. So option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Hope you understood this question. If you have any doubt, please ask in the comment section. We'll meet with another question in another video. Till then, bye bye.